Simon Ekpa is discussing with the Finnish government, presenting the Biafra situation, leveraging on the investigation, interrogation going on in Finland.
God bless you, my viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of where you are watching us from. This is Evangelist Benjamin Johnson, Esesnachi, the only truthful evangelist of the Biafra land who believe in Biafra and believe in the truth and ready to end by the truth. Hear me and hear me clearly. Glory be to God for Biafrans having somebody like Simon Ekpa and Mazen Nambekano. Yes, the Nigerians today, they are like jumping up, celebrating that they have arrested Simon Ekpa, but they fail to understand there is what we call a divine primary call upon the life of a man. And there is another thing they call a divine division, a divine wisdom upon a man. And there is another third one that is called universal wisdom. When it comes to agitation, when it comes freedom, when it comes, my people must stand free and my people must go. There are strategies that many do not really understand. And for the information of those who cares to hear this, Simon Ekpa was not arrested but was invited. And let me tell you, Nigerians that are jumping up and celebrating, I want to warn again, Anna. I want you to understand this, that you are dancing a dance of shame. Because at the end of the day, because you don't know the brain behind all these things that is going on over there, this is a strategy based on what we are looking for, based on what we are expecting, based on what the vision that is yet to manifest, or to be the dream that is yet to be actualized. But the whole world is aware of it, including the Nigerian president. Now, and listen good. I want to use this opportunity again to educate some persons once again that this is part of, Nigeria do not know much about the UN law. They don't know much about the UN system. They don't know much about the protocols behind agitation. And that was why, during the period of Mazen Nambekano, and that lead even till now, Binta Nyako resignation in the case of Mazen Nambekano, because they did not really understand what the law is saying. And that is why in the Nigerian Court of Law, Mazen Nambekano stood to educate them, and that was why all Nigerians, including Mr. President, they become dormant and deaf. Because they don't really know that this man is highly educated, highly intellectual to this extent. They thought that everybody is as daft as they are. Are you hearing me? No, the people in quote like Simon Ekpa and Mazen Nambekano, they are now daft. Neither are they dumb. There are people that they study, they knows and they understand what they are doing. And there are some protocols and proceedings when it comes to freedom. And there are protocols and there are proceedings, the process must be go through so that they can actually stand and declare what they are agitating for. And all these things is what Nigeria did not really understand. And let me tell you, before today that people are jumping up and celebrating that he has been arrested. For your information, hello Nigeria, hear this. Generals of Nigeria, hear this. I want to inform you in case you don't know. The people that detain him or that arrest him, as you say it, are not Nigeria. And the reason why he was arrested was not the case of Nigeria. This is a case between him and the Finland. and the case will be treated in Finland. He has no business with what is happening in Nigeria. So the Nigerians should know this in case you don't know. I know many of you are not that educated to understand all these things. And I use this opportunity to tell them, everyone that is watching or that have heard about what has happened, that from now till next week we begin to see the good news. You begin to see the original Biafra. You begin to see the Prime Minister himself. You begin to see other personnel, because the convention must continue. And nothing will stop the convention. Not even Nigeria can stop convention. Not even the federal government. Not even the chief of armed staff will stop it. I heard that they were pushing for Simon Ekpa they should bring Simon Ekpa. In what ground did you have to do that? Did you have the relationship? Did you have the equity? Did you have the law? And did you know the UN law pertaining to bringing him here? They don't know. Nigeria don't know. They don't know that this man can stand and say he will not be tried in Nigeria. He has the right to do that. He has the right to do that. That Nigeria cannot try him here. He has the right for that under the UN law. And it will be granted unto him. You understand me? Nigeria don't know this. And all these things is what he himself knew. You understand? And currently, to the glory of God, even Nigerian government did not even have any rapport, good rapport with the Finland government. So there's a lot of things that will not allow him to come, or that will allow them to release Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. A lot of things, because Nigeria are lacking it with them. And that is why some time ago I said there are things money can do, and there are things relationship can as well do. Everything is not about bribing or giving money. Sometimes a relationship can even give you what money cannot give you.
The Biafran government are still trying to come to the reality, because the Finnish government is going to take Nigeria on a riddle, and Simon Ekpa seems to be aware that a day like this has been briefed by him to take note. And he came out sometime and said, a day like this will come, and after which I am coming to tell you where and how the world should solidarity come 2nd December.
Yes, October 31st, he tweeted it, that in the next 2 weeks, that Nigerian bloggers will begin to carry Simon Ekpa all around the social media. And even 4 days ago, before now, he now reminded, he tweeted it again. Are you getting it? To remind us that something will be following him. Are you getting it? And that is, but he did not actually detail. But this, what is happening now, is exactly what he's pointing at. And let me tell you, for your information, currently now, Simon Ekpa is holding a political position. That is the crucial one in Finland. Currently now, are you telling me that he himself did not know the constitution of the land, or he did not know his right? Being a former commander, do you know what it means to serve in a country to the level and the position of commanding battalions? You know what that means? That means he might have gone through many processes and qualified before getting to that position. So all these things are the strategies, are the role which he must pass through in order to be confounded and stand firm for his declaration.
Are you surprised that this has continued to put Nigeria and Biafra at the global map? All the media reported the Biafran 2nd September, and a courtesy of, what is happening now. everybody, everywhere around the world is Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. No, what does that actually portend for the agitation?
This shows that the time has come. The time is ripe. The banana don't ripe. It is time to chop it. You understand me? And that is why the spirit is springing up. The news is spreading all over. Those that did not know about Biafra are knowing about Biafra. Those that don't know much about it are asking questions. They are now going deeper to know better. Are you getting it? So that is why, as it is now, the whole thing is going the way it is going. And I am happy that it's going this way because the time has come for us to actually stand. Remember in his statement, he said that he will come out and draw some members that are far from him. He will bring them to join himself. Are you getting it? That is to tell you, he knows that it will come. And he has already fully prepared for the upcoming before now. And he has already prepared what will happen after now. So he is fully prepared in every angle.
Why do you think
He's not shaking.
Why do you think that Ohaneze is attacking Simon Ekpa?
Yes, Ohaneze is attacking Simon Ekpa because the bribe they are collecting from the federal government, Simon Ekpa is about to stop it. Because all those nonsense money, bribery they are collecting, when Biafra stand, who will have time to give them all those nonsense money? Don't you know that Ohaneze are using Biafra as a game before the Federal Republic of Nigeria to enrich their self-pocket? Don't you know that? So, and somebody now is standing against it. So definitely, they see it as their own source of income and somebody want to block them. And somebody want to stop it. So definitely you don't expect them to be happy with such a person. So that is why you see them speaking against Simon Ekpa, going against anybody, not just only Simon Ekpa, even Mazen Namdekano. You understand? Because these people are going against the source of their income.
Are you seeing this investigation leading to Mazen Namdekano's release?
Yes, and this thing will even help more. It will contribute more because after the declaration, that will give us the impetus, including my very self speaking to you now, that to declare it and to stand. Hey, Nigeria, you dare not have a say over my land and my properties. Hey, Nigeria, stay away from my properties. I want to control what is in my land. The resources in my father's land, in my father's community, I will harvest and that now I will benefit from it. See, look at me, look at everybody in Nigeria, and they are using what is in our father's land to enrich themselves, their own pocket, sending their children to one of the best schools in the world, buying private jet, buying private plane, giving their own children. Look, giving them what they did not have. They are generating it from me and they use it to take care of themselves and they leave me there that owns the resources.
In what that video as they were taking Simon Ekpa, he was this confident, you know, so much confident. What is giving Simon Ekpa that kind of confidence? That the level of confidence is already a threat to in Asuro.
Yes, there is a saying that a clear conscience fears no accusation, whereby he knows that this is a game and it's not hidden to anything negative to him, but rather positive. So that's why you saw him, you know, gassing out, bouncing, you know, celebrating, because the whole thing is now coming to as a plan, as a program under the law. The process is being accomplished so that he will be completely 100% free to do what he intends to do.
Okay.